going to make a rough drawing for my desk. I'm going to make a little bit of a border at 2 inches. Nothing fancy. Just want to get a rough idea of what I'm doing. I'll do this border in pencil, but I'll do the rest of the drawing in pen, so if I make any mistakes, it's probably going to get sloppy. Let's see how we do. And what I have is I have the width equals 35 inches. The height equals 31 inches. And the depth going to equal 18 inches. My scale is going to be 3 inches per foot. That makes my height 7.5 inches. So I'll draw a 7.5 here. My width is going to be 9 inches. So that's going to be what my top's going to be. And my 3/4, we're going to call that a 1/4 inch. And there's my top. 3 inches. And my depth is going to be 4.5 inches, so we'll just go 4.5. That'll be my front. That'll be the side. And I'm going to come in 3/4 of an inch. All right, that gives me 3/4 on each side. This is not exact. This measurement here is going to be 35 inches. This measurement right here is going to be 18 inches. So I got 35 by 18 for the top. And we'll work on the top. When we get to the legs, we'll draw those out and draw different details out from there. But for right now, I need a 35 by 18 top. Let's go make it. I'm gonna plane some walnut I've had in my truck for a while. I bought a bundle of walnut and I'm just gonna get it planed up. I run my planer outside because it fills up the dust collector so fast and it plugs it up. So I just wait for a nice day. I get set up outside and I do my planing. I'm going to plane some wood at 3/4, and I'm going to plane some more at 5/8. I'm going to have two different sizes, and we'll look at the reason for that later. But after I got it all planed up, it looked pretty good. I hope I've got enough to make this desk, so we'll see what we come up with, and we'll take it into the shop and start working on it and see what it looks like. I have this large piece of walnut, and it's got a few problems. It's got a piece right there that's no good, but then I've got a nice centerpiece. Then I got a big piece right there that's no good, and then I got to come out. So it measures about 11 inches. So what I'm going to do is put the centerpiece, and then 2 5-inches. I need 35 by 20. So I'll use the centerpiece, and then I'll use 2 5-inch pieces on each end of it. We'll cut that and see what it looks like. I just set my table saw up to rough cut these pieces. They're longer than what I need, but I just rough cut them and glue them together, and I'll size them later. See if I can get the 3 pieces I need. Like I said, I need the 1 piece for the center, which is a large piece, and then I'll put 2 5-inch pieces on each side of it and go from there. After I rough cut them, I'll run them through the joiner, get some straight edges, and then we will glue them together and see what the top looks like. Alright, we got them ready for a glue up. I'll do some tweaking, make sure they fit nice, and we'll glue that up and set it aside for later. Alright, my top's glued up and looking pretty good. And the next video, I'll start the legs, size this top up, and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching.